Hi, this is Wondershare Filmora Go. We're here to help create your videos anywhere on the go. Today, we're going to create the Dr.Strange Shield Effect here in Filmora Go. To create the Dr.Strange Shield Effect, first open the FilmoraGo app and start a new project. Now import the video on which you want to create the Dr.Strange Shield Effect. Now tap on Sticker from below and slide the Sticker tab to the left and tap on the shop icon. Here you will see a lot of sticker packs. Now tap the Effect tab and click on the Superhero Cinematic Pack and you will see a bunch of superhero stickers. Now tap Use and it will be added into your sticker tab. Now select the Dr.Strange Shield and press OK and it will be added on top of your video. Now cut the extra part of the sticker, then hold and drag that sticker layer to move it to the point you want to show the shield effect. Now tap on the sticker and adjust the size and the position of the shield. Now it's a little tricky part. We have to track the shield with the movement of the hand. For this, tap on the keyframe icon to make a keyframe, and it will look like a diamond icon on the sticker layer. You can zoom in the timeline to add more accurate keyframes and continue through the timeline. Make sure that the hand of the person is behind the center of the shield. Once shield tracking is done for the left hand, we add another shield by tapping Add and choosing another shield, and then adjust its size and position. Once properly adjusted, we then similarly track this one as we did before. To make the video more interesting, you can add some other effects and superhero soundtracks as well. So here are the final results. Isn't it a cool looking Dr. Strange Shield Effect? Also, this pack is available for both Android and iOS devices. So, this was it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below, or stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. We will see you in the next video.